Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get your beautiful rainbow Revolut card. So they had this type of card back in the beginning of the Revolut, but they stopped doing it and then they relaunched it. And let's see how the Revolut rainbow card is it. Our rainbow card is back. Oh, so get yours and pay with pride this June. So the thing is, if you want to get your Revolut rainbow card, you have to donate to the ILGA Europe Association. ILGA Europe strives to champion human rights and equality for lesbian, gay, bisexual, trans, and intersex. Yeah, so if you donate for this organization, then you can receive a rainbow Revolut card. But you have to know that you have to donate at least 5 lei, Romanian lei, which is around €1. So you have to donate at least €1, which is not a huge amount. So if you are interested in this kind of card or you want to support this community, then you should definitely do it. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one.